Good evening, everyone. I wanted to show you something that you can do now that will help you a lot. This is a story for traders who have been in a game for over a year. When a trader starts losing money, they usually switch from strategy to strategy and wonder why they can be profitable. This is something I create myself and I want you to copy it. It's free. It's right there. Also, before we start, for those who are new, I create 15 free pages that you can read in 10 minutes, covering the most important things related to financial markets. When you go to my profile, you will find in links first Discord and Telegram, feel free to join, but you will find free education for beginners. Double click and you will find Japanese candlesticks, trends, volume, then can help you as fundamental knowledge for further learning. Allow yourself to learn something new and let me know your impressions. Okay, first we need to go to the search and type Google Doc. You have to log in to your email. From the left side, you will find Sheets and click to tab Start New Spreadsheets and get option to create a new table. In the top tab, there are tools we work with. First, borders. We will make one column of 50 sales and click all boards. Now we will make right there. Now we can color first column orange and you can select all and go to center. Now we can start to fill sales. Now when you're done that, we can color 3 rows, balance, lots and leverage, uh, profit, and loss. First is balance, your full capital. Second is symbol, which asset do you want to trade? Trade this is your swing, scalp, intraday, whatever. Long or short. Entry, full price, you enter it. Lots of leverage. Lots is for forex trader or meta trade like this. Or if you leverage crypto, you have leverage there. So you can choose lots of leverage. Percentage of capital. How much money do you want to lose when you trade in one trade? Risk reward, profit, lose, date of entry, date of exit, date of exit 2 if you have 2 TP or 2 stop loss, fee and picture. And we have reached the most important part of this video, which is how to help yourself with these 3 points. How to notice and resolve revenge trading, how to notice the problem is risk management if we told ourselves is maximum 2% of loss, and how to track a good or bad trade and learn from it. If you have experienced the revenge trading, it definitely look like this. Entering the market and soon as it move against you and you have too many trades in one day. So you can see you have 10 trades in one single day. And entry is similar the same. So how you can resolve this problem? You can tell yourself that you will make maximum of 2 trades in one day. Then you will be more focused on making the best entry possible. If you break this rule, you will see results in the table the next day. So you wake up tomorrow and you will see, oh, same day, 10 trades, you will know where is the problem. The next problem is risk management. This is what might look like when you know is relative to risk management. How to resolve problem when you tell yourself that you can only lose 2% of your max capital. Let's say you have $1,000 and trade is over, you first lost 40, 50, and then 30. 40 of 1000 is 4%, 5%, and 3%. When you make this mistake, you can color it, and tomorrow you will know where was the problem. And you will more focused on your entry, but you will look your risk management. And the last one, how to track a good or bad setup and learn from it. First, you need to fill this first column where you enter the trade, but you can notice that every single trade have its own picture. Come back to TradingView. This is the setup for Tesla, bad or new, we will see. On the right, you have copy image. Copy, come back, paste. This is the entry. And when entry triggered but stop loss or TP, you can again copy image and paste right there. I will write down what I could have done better, what I did poorly. Was I scared or had I been waiting for this setup for a long time? Did any important news come out? Anything that is useful because you will learn from your mistakes, but also from your success if trade was positive. That's all for today. Don't forget to join new group on Discord and Telegram where we can exchange charts and help you if there any issue. Also make sure to subscribe. Thank you.